What's good, guys? It's jacobcrypobury here. Just want to say thanks so much for the support. It would be great to get a few more subscribers before the end of the year. Do join the Discord channel should you wish. It's in the description below, completely free. And yeah, we talk about different projects here and there, so I thought it'd be great to invite you guys. And today we're going to talk about Fantom. So if you like the content, do subscribe. You're going to get altcoin videos very frequently, and we're looking at all kinds of altcoins. And today is Fantom, like I say. Fantom is trading at $2.23, so we're trading at a fairly bullish level right now. We're ranked 37 in the ecosystem with market cap of 5.6 billion, and you can see on the 30 days we're down just 3%, but just today we had a huge 20% pump. Now if you watched my previous video, I was talking about this rectangle, which is a key ideal area for reaccumulation, and as we drag that Fibonacci retracement up, we can see that sits between the 0.786 and the golden fib. We really just consolidated and corrected on that golden Fibonacci range, which we can see right there. And we had this huge wick here which demonstrated massive buying pressure, and I suppose actually the pattern was more of a symmetrical triangle, and I'm not surprised that this has happened here. And it looks fantastic. We had the falling wedge effectively. We had the highs, the lows, and we broke through double top, but we resisted breaking on that neckline. You see that double top right there? Very interesting. And it did the complete opposite. We broke through this resistance. You got resistance. There was resistance here, and we broke through it with a great amount of volume. I must admit, the relative strength index does kind of look a bit overbought right now, but it doesn't mean it has to come down now. Usually these things can take a while to come into play. On the daily time frame, we're not actually oversold, and it looks really good to see Fantom. I mean, this was a key accumulation area, so congrats to those guys that did place a position around here. 50% increase for you, as we pop back through that 20-day moving average on the daily time frame. So what do I think is going to happen now? Well, on the Fibonacci extension, clearly we broke through the 0.23. We're working our way up to 0.5. There's a lot of resistance around here, which we do know, but if we come up to the 0.618, which is the next level of resistance over here, I do think if we can hold around this current $2.20 area, we'll be making our way up to 261. And should we kind of fall back down, and not effectively correct, but should we just come down a little bit more, if we hop into the 4 hour, which maybe we're going to produce a red candle rather soon. I think we're not really going to correct too hard. Maybe we come back down to the 0.618 Fibonacci sort of range, or maybe we just retest this area at 180, but I just don't really see it happening. I think we've got too much momentum, a lot of volume, and a lot of strength. So if we can trade sideways for a while at this particular level, I do believe that we'll be heading up to $2.60 quite soon. If we hop into that 15-minute time frame, we can see that it's just been constant higher highs and pretty much higher lows. So right now, are we getting a bull flag? It's very possible. If we hop into the 5-minute time frame, you can see we're just doing the same thing. The lows, the highs, it's looking really good. Where is it going to go next? I mean, this looks like a bit of a rising wedge, to be honest, which typically usually do fall out of on the 5-minute time frame, but I'm not going to try and place technical analysis on the 5-minute time frame. I think it's just too unpredictable, too much volatility, but it does look like a rising wedge on that particular time frame. However, it might be just a case that we bull flag here. I mean, this is almost like a doji candle. Should there be any more buying pressure, this will turn into a doji, but we can see there is quite a bit of selling going on at the moment. So let's see what happens at this $2.20 level. I think it's very possible we do come back down to retest either this support or just the swing high that we literally just experienced over at $2.07. So I do believe we've got quite a bit of support there now at $2.07. Now we've written that back in from along here. So that's very critical to identify these support areas and flipping resistance into support. That is now a big support level. So if we break back down, we come to 205, maybe we consolidate, and then we make the move to 261. Otherwise, we break that support at $2.07, come back down to 177. So in conclusion, my video for Fantom, really bullish on the whole project. It's rank 37, and it has potential to be ranked top 20, top 15, perhaps even top 10 in the future. So my conclusion is that we need to hold this level to potentially move up to 261. We can get away with correcting to $2.07, but if we break the support at 2.7, then don't be alarmed or shocked if we come back down to 178. So effectively these are the scenarios, and I shall leave that with you to make the judgment about what you think is going to happen next. So we're putting in another candle at the moment on the 15-minute time frame. Perhaps we're going to get a, you know, kind of like a symmetrical triangle or something, not too sure. Either way, super bullish for Fantom. If you like Fantom, subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you want to watch another video today, tomorrow, soon, subscribe to the channel. And thanks for the support. Much love. See you guys.